Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch and you are getting an E92 error on the display and you're trying to figure out why are you getting this error and what do you need to do to fix it. Now, this is not an error that you should be getting in any kind of normal circumstances. If you are getting it, then you just try to hard restart your dryer and hope it goes away. But the reason that you would get this E92 is that there's the interface control and then there's the main electronic control board. And based on the model of the dryer, those need to be two specific items and they need to be matched up. And so when the control board says, hey, this is the wrong interface control for the dryer, then it will give you this error. So if you're in the middle of a repair, if you've replaced either the interface, the control interface, or the control board, and now you're getting this error, you may have actually put in the wrong, whatever you replaced, you might have put in the wrong one, and now you're getting this error. So you're just going to need to check the model and everything of your dryer, the specific model, and make sure that you're getting the right interface control and the right control board.